The bond angle pose. Cobbler pose. Throne pose. Butterfly pose. And orgionaly is called Baddha Konasana in Sanskrit. Asita yoga asana and hatha yoga. Bound angle pose, butterfly pose or cobbler pose. Stretches the hips, groins, knees, and inner thighs. If flexibility and balance are what you're after, even the gentlest forms of yoga will do the trick. At Sportywitty, our mission is to encourage people, of all ages, both men and women, to make physical activity, and outdoor sports, a part of their daily fitness routine. So, stay connected, and subscribe, and press that bell notification icon to stay updated. How to do butterfly pose. Sit on the floor with legs stretched out. Bend the knees and bring the feet together. Hold the ankles with the hands and pull it towards the groins. Wrap your interlaced fingers around the feet and hold it. Pull the feet towards you as much as possible. Do not strain. Try to keep the knees as close to the ground as possible, but do not force it. Keep the chest open and the back straight, relax the arms and shoulders and gaze straight ahead, breathe slowly and steadily with awareness. Hold the position for as long as you are comfortable. To release the position, free the hands and stretch the legs in front of you. Gently massage the thighs and groin muscles if there is any pain, and if needed, lie in Shavasana as a relaxation pose. The knees can also be moved up and down in the final position, also popularly known as the butterfly pose, and is used to loosen the groin and hip muscles. Benefits of butterfly pose. Baddha Konasana improves the flexibility of the groin muscles, the hips, and the thighs. This pose is good for preparation to sitting other meditative postures like the lotus pose or Padmasana. Helps to open up the pelvic region and can alleviate sciatica. It can relieve hernia and pain in the testicles. It can help women to regulate their menstrual cycle. Baddha Konasana should not be done by those suffering from any groin, hip or knee injury. Women should avoid this during their menstruation. If the knees do not touch the floor, do not push it down forcefully beyond a limit. The performance of any asana should be without pain. Those with high blood pressure and heart problems should do this with caution, with guidance from an authorized yoga instructor. What works best for you? Do let us know your comment below, and if you like the content of this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.